The universe is like a Lego set. Let me explain. See, just like a Lego minifigure or a Lego set is made up of all of the individual components, so too is our universe. And now, depending on what scale you're looking at, those fundamental pieces change. Your body is made up of cells, those might feel fundamental, but then again, those cells are made up of molecules, which feel fundamental until you realize that, well, those are made up of atoms, and all those atoms are on the periodic table, which feels very fundamental, but in fact, of course, those atoms are made up of protons and neutrons and electrons. So, are those our Lego bricks to the universe? Well, yes and no. Essentially, some particles, like protons and neutrons, can be made up of other particles, sort of like how a nucleus to an atom is made up of the protons and neutrons themselves. But other particles are fundamental, and those fundamental particles include the electron. How do I explain this? Essentially, if you can imagine the periodic table of elements, all the hundreds of potential elements that exist, well, we have one in particle physics, which we call the Standard Model. This is essentially a table that represents all of the fundamental building blocks that are both theorized and have been able to be measured in our universe. And they are what make up everything around us that we at least are aware of. There are some shortcomings. We don't have dark matter on it yet, but for example, let's talk about a proton. See, protons are composite particles. They are what we call hadrons. They are made up of multiple quarks. Quarks are a fundamental particle. They have to stay together due to having the thing called color charge, which we're not even going to touch on right now. But essentially, due to this, they need to be bonded together by these things called gluons, which are the strong force. So they are the Lego bricks that make up the proton module, and then proton modules, just like neutrons, which have also been built up of other Lego bricks, merge together, and eventually you get the beautiful Lego set that is our universe.